Hi everyone, hope you're doing great with your sewing projects and welcome to my channel. I'm back with another transparent pouch tutorial. This one's pretty easy to make and can be a perfect handmade gift. So let's get started with today's tutorial. If you've already watched my previous tutorials, you know that I make my clear bags with 0.5 mm thick transparent PVC. This is the perfect choice because it is more flexible and easier to work with compared to higher thicknesses available, yet it is durable enough for products like beauty bags and tote bags. The bag I'm going to make is 22 centimeters long, 15 centimeters tall, and 7 centimeters wide. You need 2 pieces of transparent vinyl sheet. Cut 27 by 21 centimeters rectangles if you want to make a bag with the same measurements as mine. You also need 2 straps and 2 zipper tabs from any fabric you prefer. Cut 5 by 30 centimeters rectangles for the straps and 5 by 5 centimeters squares for the tabs. And we also need a zipper. I use metal zipper. Cut a 24 centimeters long piece. I remove a couple of zipper teeth before I attach the zipper head, and I press a bottom stop as well. Now it's time to fold, press, and prepare the straps and zipper tabs. Fold the straps twice and don't forget to melt the edges whenever you feel like the fabric tends to fray. These raw edges are going to hide under the zipper anyway, but we don't want them to bother us while we're working, do we? Let's sew zipper tabs first. Use your single presser foot for this step to make sure that zipper teeth and the bottom stop are not going to make any challenges while sewing. Before you start with sewing, use a double-sided transparent tape to hold both the zipper and the strap in place. Put the tape exactly along the edge and put the zipper on top. Fix the zipper and put the strap on top of that. We use our regular presser foot for this step, by the way. Take your time and sew both top and bottom edges of the strap gently. Repeat all these steps for the other side and you're done with tricky parts. Change your presser foot and put the single presser foot again. Open the zipper and put the right sides on each other. Now it's time to sew the side edges with 1 cm seam allowance. Change the presser foot after you're done with side seams and use a roller presser foot for the rest steps. We are going to cut out 4x4 centimeters squares from bottom corners in the next step, and we don't want ending up having ripped seams, so I would reinforce these parts by doing back stitch a couple of times. Cut out 4x4 centimeters squares from each corner, considering 1 centimeter seam allowance. Fold seams on opposite sides, make centers with each other, and sew corners again with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now heat your bag to make it more flexible and flip it inside out. I am using seam, but you can also use your hair dryer for this purpose. So this is our beautiful clear pouch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you like this kind of content, and thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Take care.